ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಸರಳಾರ್ಥ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. Bhagavad comes in Bhishma Parva of Mahabharata. Vyasa says that he wrote it as Sri Krishna spoke. Bhagavad Gita contains about 700 verses and is the most scared scripture for all Hindus. All the acharyas have written commentaries on it. Everyone is welcome in the Bhagavad Gita. Sankhya, Yoga, Dvaita, Vishishta Dvaita, Advaita, knowledge, Karma, Bhakti all come together here. It is not a scripture that applies only to Hinduism. Wherever there are Vibhuti Purushas, no matter what tribe they belong to, no matter what country they belong to, I am there, Lord Krishna says. Bhagavad Gita is a scripture applicable to religion for all times. A vast army of Pandava Kauravas is standing in battle at Kurukshetra. When the battle is about to start, Arjuna asks his charioteer Lord Krishna to stop the chariot for a while in the middle of the army with whom he has to fight. I will see them all. He stops the chariot in the middle. There he sees Bhishmacharya, the grandfather of all, standing in front of him. Everyone came up with the strength of grandfather Saura. Beside, he sees Dronacharya, who has made himself an infinite hero in the art of the bow. He loved Arjuna more than his own son Ashwatthama. He also sees Kurukula's army. As Arjuna watched and watched, he became jealous of the Kauravas. Arjuna says, I have to kill all of them and get victory. Millions of relatives, friends and relatives will be killed. If I want to win, so much sin will come. Because of this, Krishna, I will not fight, says Arjuna. Then Krishna says, this is not a war of mere dayats, but a war of dharma and adharma. Shri Krishna tells Arjuna that now the time to stop this has passed. The war must be fought, but the vision of doing it must be changed. Do not fight to win. Do it with a devotion to God. Then you will not be prone to sin. Make thyself a cause and do battle, and sin shall not cling to thee. This is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. Hari Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu.